In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a page border to your document in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. So first off, we need to go to our Design tab. And when we hit that, we can go all the way to the right and hit Page Borders. And that will bring up your page border option box. And I have my page border tab selected, the one right in the middle, and this is where I'm going to update my settings. So there are a few different options. I prefer the box option. It's the simple one, but feel free to play around. And line styles are also varied. I like just the plain line, and I like to keep my point size at not too big, not too small size. So that's pretty good. Color is totally updatable. It starts out as automatic, which is black, but you can change it to anything that you desire. So let's go with blue. And this art box, you can pretty much ignore. It's got some funny like clip art style borders, but it never really makes sense for me to use those, so I just skip that. And I'm going to hit OK and apply it. And that is what a typical border looks like on your page. So let's see if we can change the color. I'm going to go back into page borders, and now I'll select a different color and then hit OK. Cool. So it looks good. It has been applied, and this will be applied to all pages that you have. So if I go back into page borders, I can see that because it says apply to whole document. So if you don't want it on every single page, you can hit just first page only or accept first page. You have the ability to customize that. Another cool feature here is that you can turn off some of the lines. So if I don't want the top and bottom lines, I can unselect these two here. And you can see that the blue means it's selected. So these are unselected because they're gray. And the image here is representing what it'll look like. And we'll have two vertical lines according to this. Let's see. Yep, looks good, just like that. So that's a cool way to customize the border and make it a little bit more unique. We can do the reverse by turning these back on and turning these off. And you get the top and bottom lines here. And then back in our option box, we can remove the border by going up to the none option here. So if I select that and hit OK, it will remove it entirely. And just a note, I found that sometimes these settings can be sticky. So I will choose a color and apply that color border to my image. And then I'll find it very hard. Oop, and you'll see I did not select box, so that's why nothing happened just now. I'll find it very hard to change the color. And sometimes that just happens, and the way I get around that is by removing the border altogether. So I go back in, and if the color is just not updating or the style isn't updating, I hit none again, OK, and then I start from scratch and just recreate that border. But it doesn't stick every time. It's kind of weird. Play around with it, see what you like, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I have a playlist in Word with more tips and tricks like this, and I really appreciate you guys watching. Thanks.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my explainer video channel.